and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make 3 different rices, and we actually decided to do this video because one of our subscribers and friends, Jenny, asked us how to make purple rice. So we decided to make this video with 3 different rices on the stovetop. So I know most people are probably accustomed to making rice in the rice cooker, but I personally like it better on the stovetop. It's extra work, but it just tastes better. So we're gonna make regular white rice, bean sprout rice, aka 콩나물밥, and purple rice. So let's go and check out these ingredients. One cup of rice for the white rice. So now we're gonna wash the rice, and Grace and I have actually started using a whisk to wash it because we saw someone on YouTube do it in Korea. And especially these days when you're washing your hands very often, using hand sanitizers, everywhere you go your hands really do dry out. And I think this does a better job than using your hand. Make sure to use cold water when you rinse the rice, and rinse it about 3 to 4 times. The white rice will be a 1-to-1 ratio of white rice and water, so let's add in a cup of water. We need 1 cup of rice for the purple rice. Half tablespoon of black rice. So black rice has a lot of good nutrients. So for instance, for people who are on diet or people that are really into their health, black rice actually has more calories than white rice, but it has a higher protein content to it. They say that it actually helps with preventing hair loss and also with people who have diabetes to control their blood sugars. So this is why people incorporate black rice into their diets. In a long time ago China, purple rice was also known as forbidden rice because only the emperor was allowed it. It was full with nutrients, it was probably very hard to get. Purple rice, we're gonna add 1 1/8 cup of water. And 2 cups of rice for the bean sprout rice. For the bean sprout rice, we need a little less water, so add in 1 2/3 cup because the bean sprout would also be releasing some water. We're gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes, and in the meantime, let's go wash our bean sprouts. Take off the tail of it so that it just looks really clean. Now we're gonna transfer this to the pots. Already turning purple. And we have about 2 cups of bean sprouts. Now let's go place this on the stove. I actually started making rice on the stovetop because of Grace, because she started doing that, and my rice cooker at home is a 10-serving rice cooker, so it's huge. You have to put in a lot more effort and keep your eye on it a lot more, but it just tastes better, which means the meal is enhanced if the rice is good. So all 3 rices have the same cooking method and time. We're gonna cook it on high heat until it boils. Let's go and make the 양념장, which is the sauce for the bean sprout rice. Let's add in a 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, half tablespoon oligosaccharide, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 green onions chopped, 1 tablespoon of green chili finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and lastly 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and mix this all up. Reduce the heat to a medium, then boil for another 10 minutes. Even if you're tempted, make sure to never open the lid because it'll make all the water evaporate. So who knows what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 솥, which means pot. And we're using various pots today. So actually, 밥솥 means rice cooker in Korean.
Bantong.
Bantong. Oh, tong is like...
It's like a bucket.
Yeah.
But
in Korean.
Yeah, and in Chinese, I think rice bucket.
You know, one of the things that I wish I was better with is being fluent in multiple languages.
It's like offered in a lot of schools now. Mandarin.
Oh, really?
Canto, yeah.
I remember I learned French. Oh, speaking, I'm really going into tangents today, but I watched Emily in Paris. It was so good, and I remember taking French class, And it's very similar to Spanish, but it's also very confusing. So my Spanish teacher was the French teacher, and I had Spanish 6th period and then French 7th period. And we had a quiz in French, and I did the entire thing in Spanish. And the Spanish teacher's like, you can just stay after and like redo it because I know you're probably confused. I was really embarrassed.
Mercy.
Yeah.
I didn't even know you took French.
Yeah, I took French 1 semester. All I know is Je m'appelle Angela. I know bonjour. That's like pretty much all I know. Anyways, today's word of the day is sot, which means pot. We're gonna reduce the heat to a low and simmer for about 10 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. Ready. Should we start with the white rice?
Take a kim with the white rice.
Love it. I haven't had a spoonful of rice like this in a while. Bon appetit!
I love stovetop rice. I want kimchi with that one. Oh, that's good. I thought it would really melt with the purple rice compared to the white.
Tastes the same.
Yeah, actually it kind of tastes the same.
If it's too purple, it makes me not want to eat it. Because it looks too healthy, but I like slightly purple like this.
Yeah, this is perfect for
Right? Me too. I think it looks so appealing when budae-jjigae is served with purple rice. I don't know why. I like it better than white rice. Okay, I'm so excited for this gongnam.
Okay, this one
I think I added some kanjang to yours already.
Oh yeah, I see.
But you might have to add more. Oh, airplanes.
The yum is so good.
So good.
I want to eat like 5 bowls of rice.
No, no, no. We're not doing that.
It's so good with kim. Oh my god. It's so good by itself too. Yeah.
Gongnam can go wrong because, to be honest, the smell of gongnam cooking isn't the greatest. It smells a little like, I don't know how to explain it.
Dirty.
Yeah, but this rice is perfect. I don't like beans in my rice. My grandma did that stuff to me. I hated it. I was like, I'm not eating it.
I would just like, I developed the habit of swallowing my beans. Because grandma said, if you keep leaving the kong out, I'm not gonna give you food. So I just like developed the habit of just swallowing everything I didn't like. So like watermelon seeds, I'd be too lazy, so I just swallow them.
I can never swallow watermelon seeds because I heard you can grow watermelon in your stomach and your stomach will get really big if you have watermelon seeds. I made sure I didn't swallow a single one.
Yeah.
Just gongnam, man. I really hope you guys try stovetop rice out, and we'll see you guys on our next video.